Hello guys, I received the Wi-Fi repeater. Let's open it together. It comes with RG45 cable, and here it is, our repeater. It have the LAN port, a reset button, and a button to activate and disable VPS. Let's plug it and try it together. You can plug it to the PC or via Wi-Fi to configure his settings. After you plug it into the computer, a web page will open automatically. If not, check your repeater. You will find an IP written type .IP in the browser. In my case, my repeater IP is 10.10.10.254. A list of Wi-Fi will appear. Select your Wi-Fi that you want to extend his range. You can set your Wi-Fi name and password. Select your Wi-Fi, type the password, then click next. Then confirm. The repeater will reboot and you will be able to connect and get the internet. Thank you for watching.